Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off camera sound in iPhone. So if at the end of this you find this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if you go ahead and open the camera app on your phone, and then you select photo, you hit the shutter button. You hear the camera sound. However, to turn off camera sound or disable it, go ahead and open the camera app. Click on the 6th dot at top right if you're using iOS 26, or just swipe up to pop up the camera features or the camera functions. Now locate live photo and then turn on live photo. Once live photo is turned on, go ahead and take your photo. It's going to take live photo. Now to convert the live photo to normal photo, click on the live photo. Click on live photo at the top left, and then from the drop menu select live off. And you're going to have your normal photo. And then you can now go ahead and take as many as possible photo you want to take. And the camera sound will be silent. And that's it. So that's exactly how to turn off camera sound in iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.